Well, hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing this box I got from Revolution. I was on Instagram and I saw a few palettes and I decided to try them out because they looked so intriguing, and you know me, when something looks really nice, I'm going to get it, and they are quite affordable. So I decided to get them, and I'm going to go ahead and open this box today and let you guys see what's inside. On here it says Revolution Beauty Limited, Revolution Beauty London. Hi, hey, salute, hello. So they're just saying hi in a few different languages. So let's go ahead and open this box so you guys can see what's inside, because I want to see what's inside as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and open up this box. Yay. And this is what they look like. So it's just a few of their goodies. Yeah. So guys, wow, look at these. So when you open the box, put that away. When you open the box, there are two palettes, of course. There's the Revolution palette, and this one looks like cracked ice. How beautiful is the packaging? Can you see that? How beautiful is the packaging? And it's a lovely blue and white, and on the back here it says Revolution Forever Flawless Ice. So this is the ice palette. I'm going to take some pictures so you guys can get a better look of it. And then of course there is this one which looks like flames. Oh my goodness, the packaging, A+. So that's what the packaging looks like. And on the back it says Revolution Forever Flawless Fire Palette. So these are the fire and ice palette, and they're absolutely like, oh wow, the packaging amazing, 10 across the board. So let me go ahead and open. What should I open first? Let's open fire first and see what this girl looks like. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and open her up. It's got a big mirror, and when you open it, look at these fabulous shades. Oh my goodness, I love these shades. These are like some of my favorite shades to use. If you know me and you watch me a lot, you know that I always gravitate towards these shades, and this is like a dream palette for me. I absolutely love all the shades, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch them, and then I'm going to tell you if they're pigmented and how they feel and all that. But I just want you to take a minute and look at all these beautiful shades. Oh my goodness. Yes, so this is the fire palette, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch them and then tell you guys, you know, my thoughts. So just keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is what the swatches look like. Extinguish, flame, smoke, bonfire, and wildfire. Okay, so this is the second row, guys. You have inferno, firelight, power, burn, eruption, and lava. So that's the second row. Okay guys, so this is the third and final row in the palette. So from left to right, as per usual, there's heat, ignite, red hot, phoenix, volcanic, and ashes. So these are the shades from the last row. Okay guys, so this is the ice palette, and as you can see, it looks like cracked ice. Beautiful blue and white. How gorgeous. I mean, they went all out with these palettes, and on the back it says Forever Flawless Ice. So basically that's the outside packaging. It's very similar to the fire palette, and of course it has a big mirror as well, which is always a plus. And when you open it, it's got all these lovely cooler toned shades, which I will be swatching for you in a minute. So that's what they look like, you guys. Really, really pretty, mostly blue shades. I don't know how those kind of nudie shades are going to work on my skin, but maybe I can use them for like brow bone highlight or something like that. But let's see how these colors swatch on my arm. So yes, this is the Ice palette. So let's go ahead and swatch this bad boy. First row in the Ice palette. So from left to right, there is Break, Drench, Icicle, Immerse, H2O, and Glass. Beautiful shades, you guys. I've never had a palette that actually had so many blues, so I cannot wait to play and mix the blues and the other shades together. So this is the first row. Beautiful. Alright guys, so from left to right again, look, the first one is called Glacier, and it's super intense, very pigmented. Then you have Freeze, then you have Arctic, then you have Frostbite, Melt, and Cool. And Cool is on the right, and it's very similar to Glacier, except Glacier has a bit more, what I want to say here is a bit more shimmer to it, and it's very intense. And I can imagine using this for like Christmas looks. It's absolutely beautiful. So this is the second row. How gorgeous. So this is the last row, guys. You have from left Ocean, Titanic, Icy, Crystal, Iceberg, and Climate. Absolutely beautiful shades. Okay guys, so my overall thoughts on these palettes are that they're absolutely beautiful, and if you know Revolution, you know their formula. These are really nice. I mean, come on, they're £10 a piece. You cannot go wrong. They're nicely pigmented, and obviously some of them are not like the best at pigmentation, but once you build them up, you will get, you know, some sort of pop of color. But overall, really nice palettes. For £10, I'd say go ahead and get it. They are really nice. You know, you can play around with different colors and all that. But yeah, I really do like them, and I would totally recommend them. So if you liked this video, go ahead and thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment to let me know your thoughts on this video, of course. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Oh, if you have these palettes, do let me know as well, and of course your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.